Dude, those are bad for the environment.
Okay, well, not bare.
Just throw them out. I think we should get some Bondo. Actually, I don't even know if we need Bondo. I was just using fucking JV Bondo. Dude, look at this.
How's it going, man?
Man, we're gonna have to sand this bitch for days.
Hell yeah, dude.
Like, fuck, we'll be here in 2 weeks, man. Still sanding. Fucking dicked. Also, ask it through this on, which is so thick, and I don't even know how I'm gonna sand that. Everyone I think he's the fiberglass master. Fucks us.
You fuck, yeah?
Chris Rudnick style. You got fucked. You fucked. Alright, mother skanks. Rolling up to Crappy Tire, where we spend our life savings.
We just don't learn, hey? Like, every, like, second video we go to Canadian Tire and just get fucked.
Yeah, it's like, just hurts the wallet. Like, you're just getting...
It's all we have in good old Canada's there, hey, buddy?
Yeah, it's the only shit we got. It's fact!
Don't have any AutoZones or
O'Reilly's. You walk in there, you buy fucking 3 cans of spray paint. In the US, you can get a can of spray paint for like $2.50.
Really?
Here, the cheapest one's like $7. You just go in there, they just speed bag your nutsack. 1-2 Mayweather, you're
literally nobody works there either.
Yeah.
It's fucking ghost town the whole time.
And then sometimes they don't even give you the Canadian Tire money. Like,
yeah, fuck, man. Like, I'm trying to save up and buy a trampoline, you know?
Yeah, literally. Like, you fucked.
Got the supplies. Probably not gonna work, but...
Spend another fucking $30. Not in the goddamn budget.
Sorry.
Whatsoever.
It's okay, man. It's gonna work. Probably not. We'll
Better work. Like, look at this stuff. No, we're not ready for that at all.
Why not?
Because this all needs to go up before we... Because I'm talking about filling this whole thing and then like shaping a new one of these.
Okay.
But we need to get this all up so it's like straight first, you know? Dude, these blades are so bad.
Fuck, I was so close to my eye, man.
No! Fuck, man. Oh, so hot. Oh. Okay, I have one blade left. Okay, so this thing's circed. Looks like it might work.
Think it's gonna work? Just cover it in Bondo and see how it looks.
Hell yeah.
Right on. Okay, what's next? Spray foam the back of the wing?
We're gonna spray foam the back of the wing, fill it up with spray foam.
Alright, let's get going then, Matt.
You have to shake this, eh? Shake, shake, shake. Shake her booty. Should we give it?
Right on. Hang on.
Where am I trying to go up into? Oh, we should put... Pass me like duct tape. It's going, man. Jesus Christ.
Not coming from the other side? Jesus, man.
What the fuck?
Why would you ever do that?
Yeah, let me take that off. But do we want to do this whole area too? Like, should I do some here?
It's up to you.
Because how the fuck are we going to blend that? Oh. Oh. Dude, this stuff's fucked. What the fuck?
I think it hardens in like 10 minutes.
Because I'm thinking we can just sand all this flush with this thing.
Yeah.
What the fuck was What's that about, man? Dude, that's like literally an inch more than we need.
Well, like we can shape it better that way.
Okay. Do we need this
thing
anywhere
looks
else?
like fuck, and I think we just created a bunch more work for ourselves.
Well, you went so overboard on
we're
this
trying
side.
to get it shaped, man. Whatever. We'll check back in when we're actually getting shit done.
Circ some. She's looking fucking voluptuous, man.
I'm gonna bit
This is
like
they make chicken nuggets out of at McDonald's. I think.
Yeah, no doubt.
Think about it.
Yeah, true.
You make a lot of chicken nuggets out of 1 can. That's good value, actually. Okay, so we got this fucking. We're gonna wait for this to harden. Then we're gonna lay some fucking Bondo. I'm actually surprised at the trimming of this. Like, dude, me and Asuka like didn't think this was gonna work. We thought we were gonna have to redo it a couple times. It's kind of working.
Kind of going now.
Oh, I should try to fill this with spray foam.
What's up, dude?
All right, so Noah's being a bitch and went to the fucking dentist. So here's the spray foam. It expanded a little. Me and Noah got a little carried away.
It's all right.
Like, what's that dumb thick, man? All right, so we're gonna start fucking trimming it, man. Man, TJ Hunt pulls up. Okay, anyway, all right. It's gonna take a while. Dude, it's like carving a fucking turkey.
What's the game plan? Like trim it rough and then sand it to shape?
Yeah, sand to shape. Then we're gonna have to I think we're gonna have fiberglass over it. Yeah. Well, that's ready to Bondo up there, pretty much.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna take a while. Oh, we're just gonna have to keep just trim. Man, look at the fucking big gun. All right.
All right, on.
This will take off a little more.
Careful though, like, don't take off too much. That's too rough, man. It's gonna pull off the actual shooter.
No, it's going now. Holy shit.
Yeah, that was a fucking wood saw.
God damn it. This is so much, man. I think I just took too much off. No, this is fucked, man.
Good idea. Can I watch the season?
Yeah. No, dude, this is fine. Look at this. It's
Alright, check
right.
back in when it's
When it's
taking
circ.
shape.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, for dick's sakes. We took this down from a 2019 booty to an early 2000s booty. And it's looking real nice, okay? What do you think next step is now?
I think it's I don't know shit about anything.
Same.
But I think we could just bond over top of this.
Think we Bondo or do you think we fiberglass?
Well, you're probably supposed to fiberglass, but I think Bondo would work. Like, this is rough enough to where it's like, and if Bondo gets hard, right?
Yeah.
It should. Fuck this. No, I didn't. Never mind. I think you could text Asuka and ask him, but I feel like.
Well, he hasn't used Bondo before.
Yeah. It's probably fine.
What should we do? Should we lay some fucking Bondo right now?
I think we should. Yeah.
Cream hardener. Should we read the instructions?
Nope.
Directions. Do so small. Clean surface with warm soapy water. Okay, we're going to skip over that one. Sand the damaged area with coarse 80 grit sandpaper. Remove all paint, primer, and rust down to bare metal. Okay, skip that. Mixing. Knead cream hardener tube thoroughly for a golf ball sized amount of filler.
Okay,
What?
Okay.
Wait, what? So do you think this whole tube, the whole tube must do the whole can?
Yeah.
So should we just do it all now?
Yeah.
Alright. It's not on the budget to buy anymore, but that's just the way she goes. What the fuck? My thing's bulletproof, man. It smells like shit. Oh. Dude, that smells so bad. No, I think you mix it on something flat. Watched a video on some guy doing it a couple years ago. Dude, I watched it actually. Here, wait. Dude, it's like hard. Oh. Okay, obviously we're first time Bondo users here. Probably a bit more than that though. I think that's half.
So.
Oh, it's like Dairy Queen, man. On the tip of the ice cream.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, we're calling that half. Half of this too. Oh, Jesus, man. Is that half?
I'd say so. Fuck, man.
Calling that half. I don't think yeah, I don't know. Kind of worried about this. It's like making bread, man. Never made bread. Alright, we're gonna lay some down on the frontal piece here first.
Oh, it's looking real nice, man.
Like that.
No, you can leave it thick because you sand it after.
Yeah, but that's just more sanding. Dude, this can's way deeper than I thought. It's like a grandma's purse, man. Has everything in there.
You want to explain what's going on?
Alright. So we're kind of experts at Bondo as well. Like everything else. This is so dumb the way they did this, man. How are you supposed to get it out? There's probably a technique.
So that's one can done?
Yeah.
And alright, sick. Well.
Oh, this is gonna be a big load, man.
How the fuck are you gonna mix that?
I don't know, I didn't think it through.
You fucked it, man.
No, I can put some back.
Man, you scraped all of it off.
I didn't, look.
Oh. Yeah, maybe not 3/4 of the tube this time.
There. We gotta act quick, man.
Try and do this part first.
Alright, wait, where should I put it?
Anywhere, honestly. Just lay it on real thick, man.
I gotta lay it on more thick on this side.
It's too stressful to film, man.
Dude, this is stressing me out so much.
Okay. How you feeling about this, man?
Man, that was so stressful, man. It looks terrible. Got a lot of sanding ahead of us, that's for sure.
We're right on.
At least a couple 100 hours of sanding that we gotta do.
Got the shape going.
We fucking caked it on there.
Yeah, big time. It's a full can of Bondo.
That was so dumb. The way it comes in that can, like how are you supposed to get it out?
Yeah, that's really stupid.
It's pissing me off. And the applicator that's like the size of a fucking loony, man. Like, look at my hands. I was just fully in there. I was slapping the Bondo around.
You're fucked, man.
Fucked.
You want to outro really quick?
As you can see, we're blowing all kinds of. No, not an exhaust. Actually, it's getting
blasted.
Yeah, it's getting sandblasted. Yeah, so as you can see, we're out here wasting all kinds of money on Bondo. Fucking blowing it, of course. So, if you want to buy a t-shirt, it would help the boys. Go straight into stupid shit like this. Link is in the description. The sickest t-shirts around. Sickest air freshener around. Sickest anything around. I mean, fuck, when you walk into any establishment with Moist Boys across your chest, instant respect. Link in the description. Be prepared for the next video because we're going to sand for days. We're already going to be here in fucking October sanding this bitch. But yeah, it's going to probably not look minky. We'll fucking see, okay?
It's alright.
Okay, buddy? It's not bad for the first time. Did you hear my neck on that?
Yeah, it was fucked, man.
Oof. Buy a t-shirt so I can go to the chiropractor after that. But yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, stay tuned for more fucking shit. For more F-yeah spec ass shit. I think actually we've gone beyond F-yeah spec.
I'd say so.
Now we're at Atom-yeah spec. And that's at least 2 steps above. So, F-yeah. See you in the next one, guys.
Right.
Also, fucking subscribe. If you're watching these videos and you're not subscribed, you're a bitch. We're trying to hit 10 million K. And people are just blowing it.
One day, man.
Alright, fucking subscribe so we can get there.
Alright.
Alright, peace.